Hello mathematicians, and welcome to our March Number Corner. For Number Corner today, we are going to be looking at our Base 10 bank from last month and learning how to use the bank in a different way. You won't need any materials for our lesson today. For Daily Rectangle this month, we will be using our Base 10 bank to make withdrawals from the bank each time we visit it. A withdrawal is something that people do when they take money out of the bank. So we'll be doing that with our Base 10 bank this month. We'll be making withdrawals. Before we can make our first withdrawal, we need to have a look at our Base 10 bank and see how many pieces we have in there right now. Then we're going to take some of our pieces and set them aside to use later if we need them. Let's go ahead and jump into our Base 10 bank, see how much we have in there, and see how much we need to take away to be left with 100 pieces. Take a moment to look at our Base 10 bank and think about how many pieces we have in there right now. Show a connection if you counted 257 pieces. We can see that we have our 200s in our hundreds column. We have our 5 tens in our tens column and our 7 ones in our ones column to make the number 257. Now we are going to take some of these pieces away to save for later. We're going to put them into a savings account. This is something that people do when they have a real bank account. They'll have their bank account with money they can spend now, and then they'll have some tucked away for later in their savings account. So let's start by taking away all of the pieces we need to be left with just 100 pieces. I want you to think, how many hundreds would I need to take away? If you're thinking, we should take away 100s, Matt, that's good thinking. Let's move our hundreds mat over to our savings account. That's getting us closer to having 100 pieces left. Now, how many pieces do I have left in my bank? Now, if you were thinking, well, only the hundreds changed, so we're still left with 157 pieces, well, that's good thinking. Remember, we only want 100 total. What should I take away next? Now, you might have been thinking about our tens. Well, if we only want 100 pieces, we have to get rid of these tens. So let's grab our 5 tens, and we'll move those into our savings account too. We need to cross out our tens to show that we have 0 left. Do we have 100 pieces in our Base 10 bank yet? Thumbs up or thumbs down? No, I should see thumbs down. We still need to take something else away. We need to take all of our ones. So let's grab our 7 ones and we'll move those into our savings account too. If I can get them, there we go. So now we have all of our money in our savings account with only 100 pieces left. We will start making some withdrawals from our Base 10 bank next time we visit. Your job in Seesaw is to show your teacher how many pieces we have in our Base 10 bank to start with. Go into Seesaw, tell your teacher what we're starting with in our Base 10 bank for March, and I will see you next time for Number Corner.